this is my bike.
Yes.
We're going to be doing a time trial between me and him.
Yes.
And we're going to time each other.
Yes.
And whoever gets a better time wins.
Yes.
So
best 2 out of 3 is what we're doing.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Ha! Alright, so we're going to be using this bike. It's 200cc. That's basically all you need to know.
It's a Massimo MB200.
Yep, all that. Obviously, we're at Nathan's property.